Good morning, Lions. Today is Wednesday, May 26th, 2021. Welcome to another awesome day of learning here at Lemoore Elementary. We are excited you're here, and we know it's going to be a great day because you're going to roar like a lion. Respect, on task, achieve, and responsibility. All right, Lions. Now, today's weather calls for sunny skies and a high of 91. The green air quality flag is flying, which means the air is good for everyone for now. As you can see, we do have the guys out here mowing the lawn today. So those of you like me with allergies, we're going to hope that doesn't trigger our allergies today. But that high of 91, I'm most concerned about our last three classes. So those people who go to PE after lunch, so 2nd, 3rd, and 6th, make sure you guys are taking your water out there. We just got our brand new 2 10-gallon water jugs showed up yesterday, so those are for PE, and we'll be getting those out there for you guys. Remember, you do not put your mouth on it. We don't do waterfall. You need to bring some kind of cup, a refillable water bottle, preferably. We did get the little water bottles back. They're over at the cafeteria, so you can ask for one at lunch if you need one. And we only have so many. Also, we literally on Monday ran out of the water bottles that you could buy with your Roarbucks, and guess what showed up? More water bottles yesterday. So we have those back in stock, and they're the white ones with the different colored lids. So those are back in stock. So if you need a water bottle, 10 Roarbucks, you can come to the office and buy one. All right, Lions. Now, we have no birthdays today. So just want to make a few announcements, and we may have to adjust some schedules a little bit. So Friday was supposed to be a Roar Like a Lion day for all grades with a special day for 6th grade. But due to the fact that we're also having the line of character assembly, which Miss Garcia didn't realize as she was doing the schedule, trying to do the Roar Like a Lion Day will be very hard because some of our students will be getting their award in the morning and may miss their opportunity that they earned. So we don't want to do that. So we will be working on our Roar Like a Lion Day for Tuesday and Wednesday. You will have PE, and so we'll get that schedule out. It'll be odds and evens like we do on a normal minimum day. So yearbooks, yes, are still on sale. They arrived yesterday as well, and so we're sorting them, and you will get them next Tuesday, June 1st. So yes, you can still buy some. I believe we still have about 90 left, and so you can turn your money in here to the office, and we'll get you a receipt, and then you'll get them on Tuesday. All right, Lions. Now we got a lot of other things going on, so there's lots of announcements right now. Monday is no school for Memorial Day. And Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday next week are the last 3 days of school, and they're all early out, minimum day. We also have dress-up days. So a note is going home with you today. Teachers, they're in your boxes, and those are for what we're going to be doing for dress-up, and to remind parents that we do get out at minimum day all next week. All right. Now, line of character assembly is Friday morning at 8:30. And I got around to every classroom yesterday. Now, if your student wasn't here, if you weren't here, you got announced. Well, I'm very sorry. Your teacher has your invitation. We have invitations. Now, I did not. My goal was to go around to every home of every distance learning student who's getting this award and drop off their invitation. But unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to do that yesterday. I had to sub in a classroom, and so I want to announce who they are from every classroom, and our DL students know that you are getting your invitations. They're right here, and we're going to try to get them dropped off to you today, but I want you to know that you've gotten this award, and we're going to send out the YouTube live link to everybody. So we're going to start first. I'm going to announce them very quickly so everybody knows who it is getting those awards. Here we go. From Miss Rosa's class, Colton King. From Miss Seamus's class, Renata Carrillo Escalante. From Mrs. Claycomb's class, Victor Balderas. I have your invite right here, Victor. From Mrs. Tangeman's class, we have Lyrie Carrillo Lopez. And from Miss Kennedy's, Cody Davis. Miss Shiloh's class, Ariel Passion. From Miss Cherry's class, Deleza Hernandez. From Miss Walker's, Sebastian Navarro. From Mrs. Quakendall's class, Richard Duarte. From Miss Martinez's, Elena Martinez. From Miss Zoida's, Demaris Rosales. From Miss Avala's class, Dylan Cox. From Miss Abad's class, Caitlin Olfers. From Mr. Hartle's class, we have Kaylee Kuman. From Miss Jengrass's class, Ileana Elisis. From Mrs. Hurlman's class, Selena Corona. From Mrs. Barcelos' class, Kendall Franks. From Miss Hope's class, Damian Torres. From Mrs. Cano's class, Raul Luna. From Mrs. Hill's class, Jalen Diaz. From Miss Rodriguez's class, Genevieve Cullen. From Miss Mack's class, Mason Walker. From Miss Casillas' class, Milagros Velasquez Torres. From Mrs. Lander's class, we have Emily Harris. From Mrs. Sippel's class, Jocelyn Hernandez. From Miss Farmer's class, Brianna Pimentel. From Mrs. Holland's class, Aiden Josue. From Mrs. Rose's class, Adrian Corona. From Miss D's class, Alexander Solario. From Miss Ayala's class, Kendrick Mack. And from Miss Cardoza's class, William Pace. Congratulations to all our Lions of Character. For our distance learning students, if you would like to attend the assembly, it is at 8:30 in the cafeteria. You would just come to the front of the cafeteria doors and come in at 8:30. We should be done by no later than 9:30. And so just so you know, unfortunately, parents cannot attend, but we will live stream again on YouTube. So we will get that information with the YouTube link out to everybody's parents today. Whew. All right, it's a good thing Miss Garcia can talk fast. All right, Lions. We also have our rally coming up next week. Wednesday will be our DL rally, and Thursday will be our live in-person rally. We got a lot going on, Lions. We will get that information to you as quickly as it comes and gets together. Other than that, I think that's all I have for this wacky Wednesday. I do have one shout out and a fun day fact. Today is Sally Ride Day. And Sally Ride was the first woman to go into space. She was an astronaut. And as a kid myself, this happened on June 18th, 1983. And it was pretty amazing for me because I'd never seen a woman in space as an astronaut. And that made me want to be an astronaut until I realized there was a lot of math involved in that. And so then I became an English teacher. So there you go, Lions. Also want to give a shout out. We want to give a shout out to Ethaniel Ronquillo in sixth grade. He was super helpful and kind to a third grade student who needed some help yesterday. So Z would like to tell you thank you, Ethaniel, for being an awesome big guy and helping out. We really appreciate that. And I also want to give a shout out to some of our fourth and fifth grade students who saw we had new students on campus and just immediately stepped up and showed them the way we do things here. And so I am super proud of all this wonderful character being shown here at Lemoore Elementary. I love it. So keep up the good work, Lions, because remember, we are one school. We have one goal, and that's to learn every day. Success is not an accident. It's a choice. I want you to make that choice today. All right, Lions. It's now time for the flag salute.